Welcome back. In this lecture of developing project plans with ChatGPT, we are going to dive into one of the most critical project management documents, developing a comprehensive project plan. A solid project plan serves as the foundation for successful project execution, and today I am going to show you how to leverage ChatGPT in assisting project plan in details. Please stay tuned. Developing project plans with ChatGPT, we will go overview of the importance of a well-structured project plan, introduction to how ChatGPT can assist in creating comprehensive project plans, why a detailed project plan is crucial. So before we get into the steps, let's briefly discuss why a detailed project plan is so important. A well-structured project plan provides a clear roadmap to your project, ensuring that everyone involved understands the goals, timelines, and deliverables. It helps align stakeholders, manage resources, adhere to timelines, mitigate risks, and monitor progress effectively. Simply put, a good project plan is your blueprint for success. Let's start with step 1, defining the project objectives and deliverables. This step is all about clearly articulating what your project aims to achieve and what will be delivered at the end. With ChatGPT, you can easily draft this section. For example, you can give the prompt, list the objectives and deliverables for a mobile app development project. ChatGPT will generate a draft which you can then refine to ensure it aligns with your stakeholders' expectation. Let's see in the ChatGPT window. So I am giving the prompt here. So let's see what output it generates. List the objectives and deliverables for a mobile app development project. Let's see what is the outcome. Yes, it's generating the project objectives: develop a user-friendly mobile app, then achieve cross-platform compatibility, implement core functionalities, optimize performance and scalability, ensure security and data privacy, provide analytics and tracking, deliver on time and within budget. Then project deliverables like requirement documentation, wireframe and design mockups, mobile app prototype, front-end and back-end development, integration of key features, quality assurance and testing, and then deployment of the app, user documentation, post-launch support, maintenance and update plan. So in this way you can see the step 1. So next we will move step 2. Next we move to step 2, creating a work breakdown structure or WBS. The WBS is a crucial tool that breaks the project down into manageable tasks and deliverables. You can ask ChatGPT to generate an initial WBS by issuing a prompt like generate a work breakdown structure for a website redesign project. Once ChatGPT provides the structure, you can customize it to fit your specific project needs. Let's go to ChatGPT window and give this prompt. So let's see. It's generating. Yes, level 1 website redesign project, level 2 planning and research, level 3 it like different tasks like define project goals, objective, conduct stakeholder meetings, market and competitor analysis, user research, define target audience, SEO audit, add current website performance review, content inventory analysis, create project plan and timeline. Let's see the bottom. Level 2 design phase, then level 3 develop wireframes, prototypes and other stuff, and then level 2 content development, level 3 breakdown of the tasks. So level 2 development phase, so it's still generating. Testing phase, launch phase, then post-launch support and maintenance. So you see that it's a very good output for generating WBS. Next we will focus on step 3. Let's stay tuned. Step 3 is developing the project timeline. A clear timeline with key milestones is essential for keeping the project on track. ChatGPT can help draft this timeline. For example, you can give the prompt, create a timeline with milestones for launching a new product. ChatGPT will provide a draft timeline, which you can then adjust based on your resource availability and any project constraints. So let's jump into ChatGPT window. Please give the prompt here what we saw and then see the output. Okay, it's generating the output. Yes, it's timeline with milestones for launching a new product. Phase 1 planning and research, week 1 to 4. What you will achieve like week 1 milestone, finalize the product concept. Then week 2 milestone like complete feasibility study. Then week 3 milestone develop project plan. Week 4 milestone set marketing and sales goals. Then product development weeks 5 to 10. So week 5 to 6 like complete product design and prototyping. Week 7, 8 product testing and refinement. Then week 9 to 10 milestone is finalize production and supply chain. And then phase 3 pre-launch activities like from weeks 11 to 16. So week 11 to 12 milestone is develop marketing materials. Week 13 like finalize product pricing and sales channels. Week 14 begin pre-launch marketing campaign. Week 15 to 16 conduct internal training and product demos. Then product launch week 17 to 18. Week 17 launch product, which week 18 initial performance review. Still is generating the output like phase 5 post-launch and evaluation weeks 19 to 22. So it generates the, so overall we see the and summarize a summary of milestones like 1 to 22 and which week it will do which activities, timelines. So this is a very good example for developing the project timeline. Next we will go for the resource allocation and budget planning in step 4. In step 4 you will focus on resource allocation and budget planning. So these elements Ensure that you have the right resources in place and your project stays within budget. ChatGPT can assist by drafting a resource allocation plan and budget estimate. You might use a prompt like draft a resource allocation and budget plan for a marketing campaign. Review the output carefully and update it with actual cost and resource detail. So let's go in the ChatGPT window here, and I'm giving the prompt here. And let's see what is the outcome. Yes, good. It is generating the outcome. So you see the campaign overview, campaign title, campaign objective, target audience, campaign duration, total budget. So then you can, and then resource allocation like human resource, project manager, and then creative director, graphic designer, social media manager, then PPC specialist, SEO specialist, email marketing specialist, analyst, data specialist, then total human resource cost, technology and tools, like social media management tool, email marketing software, Google Analytics, SEO tool, ad platforms, design software, then total technology and tools cost, then media spend, allocating the budget for prepaid media channel, Google ads, Facebook, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, still generating, like total media spend, then production costs, like the video production, graphic design, blog content writing, landing page development, photography, so total production costs, and then budget summary, like human resource, technology and tools, the media spend, production cost, contingency, so total estimated budget, total actual budget, remaining budget. So then you can see it generates like contingency plan, and then monitoring and reporting part. So this is a good outcome for the step 4. So next we will discuss more. Step 5 is risk management planning. Identifying potential risks and planning how to mitigate them is vital for avoiding project pitfalls. ChatGPT can generate a risk management plan by responding to a prompt like identify risk and mitigation strategies for an IT infrastructure project. So be sure to customize the plan to make it specific for your project's unique risk. So let's go to ChatGPT window here. So I am giving the prompt. So let's see what is the outcome. Still generating. Let's see. Yes, risk and mitigation strategies for IT infrastructure project, like description, mitigation strategies, project delays, risk mitigation strategies, then risk budget overrun, description, mitigation strategy, how can you mitigate, then hardware software compatibility issues, risk security vulnerabilities, lack of skill resource. So it is still generating, so you can get using this prompt. So this output is still generating that data migration failures or regulatory compliance issues, change in business priorities, risk resistance to change. So this is a good outcome for the risk management planning. Step 6 involves creating communication and reporting plans. Effective communication is key to keeping stakeholders informed and engaged throughout the project. So ChatGPT can help you draft these plans with prompts such as create a communication plan for a cross-functional project team. After receiving the draft, tailor it to the specific communication needs and preference of your stakeholders. So let's go to that window, ChatGPT window here. Yes, give the output, prompt. Let's see the output. Yes, it's generating like communication plan, for a cross-functional project team, project overview, project manager, project objective, teams involved, and then communication goals, stakeholder communication metrics, like communication methods, right? Like email, virtual meetings, instant messaging, still it's generating. Meeting schedule, like kickoff meeting, weekly status meeting, daily stand-ups, executive sponsor update, milestone review meetings, like post-launch debrief. The communication guidelines it is generating. Now next is escalation process, escalation path, key performance indicators are KPIs for communication success, response time, attendance, stakeholder satisfaction, issue resolution, then communication plan review. So in this way, you can generate the communication plan review using ChatGPT. Finally, we arrive at step 7, finalizing the project plan. So this is where you review the entire plan generated by ChatGPT. Make sure that all the components, objectives, WBS, timeline, resources, risks, and communication are aligned and cohesive. Refine the plan to meet your organizational standards and the expectation of your stakeholders. Okay, now you have seen how ChatGPT can assist in each step of developing a project plan. So let's discuss some best practices to ensure that you get most out of this powerful AI tool. Best practices for using ChatGPT in project planning. First, always provide clear and specific prompts to ChatGPT. The more detailed your input, the more accurate and useful the output will be. Second, remember to review and tailor the content generated by ChatGPT to fit your project's unique needs. While ChatGPT is great for generating drafts, your expert judgment is crucial for refining and finalizing the plan. Lastly, use ChatGPT as a guide or assistant, not as a replacement for your expertise. It's a tool to help you, but the final decision should always be yours. Next, common challenges and solutions. So let's discuss about some common challenges you might encounter when using ChatGPT in project planning and how to overcome them. Challenge: if the outputs are too broad or generic, try refining your prompts with more specific project details. Then next challenge is if the plan seems incomplete, supplement the AI generated content with additional manual input and further details. And next challenge is if the formatting is inconsistent, take the time to standardize the document format after generating the content. So finally, the solution here, like standardize the document format after generating content. Then we will discuss case study, effective project planning with ChatGPT. To illustrate how effective ChatGPT can be, let's look at a real-world example. In a recent project, a team used ChatGPT to develop a comprehensive plans for a software rollout. By following the steps we have discussed, they were able to create a detailed plan that accounted for all key aspects, including timelines, resources, and risk management. The final plan was well received by stakeholders and the project proceeded smoothly. The key takeaway here is that ChatGPT, when used effectively, can significantly enhance your project planning process. Recap and key takeaways. So let's recap the key takeaways from today's lecture. Number one, ChatGPT can assist in developing all major components of a project plan, from defining the objectives to creating a communication plan. Second, always review and refine the AI generated content to ensure it aligns with your project's specific needs. Use ChatGPT as a tool to guide and support your planning process while relying on your expertise to make final decisions. Thank you for joining me in this lecture. I hope you now feel confident in using ChatGPT to develop comprehensive project plans. In our next lecture, we will explore how ChatGPT can assist in automating progress reports and updates. I look forward to see you there.